Yana Baghdad Abdul Aziz Tuhaji Onambo wa Pabiya Mundu Agewa Kazal Kabaya Wazuya
Soron Nachomelan Zulia
Agewa Zuya
Bere Palaban Dron Kabuya
Agewa Zuya
Zanyala Toku Yino Yanse
Agewa Zuya
Tempuma Tenon Welma
Mundu Agabamba Mundu Amapursi Kusasi tibeta me farifara inyar la kurushi kabanjo akapuleli tiyumtaba kabanjo akapuleli tiyumtaba nagewa zuya
Soron Nachomelan Zulia
nagewa zuya
Bere Palaban Dron Kabuya
nagewa zuya
Zanyala Toku Yino Yanse
nagewa zuya
Tempuma Tenon Samba, Bama na bishadam kumala tanu walma. Na jawan kwa shiroshi tobe tabele mantambo. Na bi kuunka chugu, kufugu tabele twagu.
Unda kati ya shukuru na bayan yima sai no yi washi ma da bin wanya ituno go liga nan tubaka da uniform da haura amma la shi balo go nan da nan chaka yira ma dinyo ko ko san wallahi ma chaka rafo so wonci ha din la tan ba wani kila bi ma shukuru uniform cha da sawo pila tan dido arwa da ma tan da ne flash tuba kan cha la le fa ma wanda go ka da sa la shi tin da sama da sa na sama ba shi ita ta duruwa ba durbutun ya duwa ta rubutun ya duwa yau so ibn ya tanta bora so ne ta farga ita dan ya duwa yau ya ba shawo ita ba shawo ba ka bo le computer da cin ka ta shabo wuhura ne don yira aso wasa ka wuhura da yira bin wo amma yan yar ka sabra fara ko bi mi da yira dan mallaka man so sai ka wuhura so cin ka ta wuhura ita nan ka computer biyan duk sama na fa ke ta ba ce kamar wata shi ishin da zo ka wo bin bo ko ji ka bo bin bo ko ji da ko ji da ka ta ba da so wata can je sai sai wanda bin ya sa na wanci da ko ya an tambara da so office din ma ne kam ko ta karo ka bo da sabon wannan na fama so to gona da ta nan gwaka na ci I don't get it the online. You don't right now. What's my okay. Yeah. I saw him with Jamila, Jamil. kan naka lor ma sa ta palma na shabu to gar afa solution salatu ala nabi mana wonde mana on tan ambo mana on teji di selon on se preso patikima mana on ta ta tan yema na zo mana on non ta katare ma be ban kan na ka sama mana ma do ma ba ma be ban me kana tan la anti yoma mana on samba da na non ba katare ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار صلاة على kara min yeso ko piti e chairman ayon ndisi unda yer chairman landirma mulanye e alhaji abdurrahman so alhaji abdurrahman sulaiman we need to have a chairman. And when I look through, I can see that everybody could be a chairman. But we need only one person who can chair and also run the affairs of of this meeting from the beginning to the end. So when we look through, we've seen that one person should be the chairman. He's somebody who was the PTA chairman of this school. He was also the chairman of NDC chairman in this community. Is in the person of Alhaji Abdurrahman. So Alhaji Abdurrahman. Yes, thank you. Chairman has accepted speech. I think the chairman has accepted. Has given his acceptance speech. That we should carry on. Therefore, call a message from the chief. A message from the chief. So, Tishima Dambolo, no Satishima, or Jishima, can you Jima and Changsha Hatinai? So, Jima on Dinoma, Tepana on Dinoma, Kapuropa. Tian Zanshel Patishima, Zoyanela, Tian Dilla Labale, Panasan, Dio Opamba San, wait, Kapnan Yelaba. Never take it in Shelma. Now I'm not back. Now I'm going to go through me. Now I'm going to know more. See, I can't get the kitchen, the map, come pump. If my casa go home, bar. When I see young Sabbath, couple pass it. Bummy, you pass it, Sanaro Capchena. And see how Bummo Pump from being young. Tiens some shake down to Twama, chickens, bum shama, now chop move at them at that use. Now there will be in fair cover. Now there will be in fair cover. The so brewing here probably go now the Twana Sarah. Now chop with Chong Tune, now chop with Chong Tune. The lamp Panela to Shukroma. Bima Molome. Senior you song the sham. In your songs in shell, Boba Zo. Now you know, to me, Zaha, yet for a Zachana, Chichen and Massa. Who got some bien? Bring your uncle in chant of Paki and so, for you know to song to teach you Kuruma, Carigella, Carigena Bazane, now in Chabu Chunk, into non Qatar. Bring your ensemble further chant to song P and so, now Chow woman like a deal. Only deal and I took some into her you want and banana. Chukurma, the world melt pump, the world Majima. Now, Chang, we are not a mele. Will you pull? Now, no, I barcano dinner. Said is that he thanks, he first of all thanks God for bringing us together again, and then thank the teachers for this initiative or for this good gesture. Then he also appealed to the officials here
to look at our school, infrastructure. That the school is choked. The classes are choked up. So he's just feeling that if we can get for infrastructure or the school infrastructure. He also said he is emphasizing on the teachers, whatever they can do to go in and get help for us to build the school. It will be welcome. That is all that we say. And I thank all of us for
in the person of Mr. Alhassan Mustafa.
So, nous sommes déjà le district directeur de Bétion. Donc, on me calme. Autrement bien. Nous avons autrement la belle quatrième. Mr. Mustafa.
So pialenye le katal angoma dereta gware kuna la niere kama okana badinza ben gol sol shalama ben katal ko je kam bare to ba kole kayene nem yande do ma de shama wayan sa to la sol ba zahar to na karje sarati so all the borno so no ko zo shalala zalbu musani yalla kama igwan gel shar kampi izana ta pago no tele bagum jerne publication ma de yalla be shartin ko be yalla ba tan fansa ko man yati yan nan sham ka kuma de ma da balan go class ma sham ma be shukur ma sham ma kala 5 minutes 6 ka be class yin ma ka P2 P3 ka boshi class yin ma zahar da ko sere karfoma so ti gudi tamman ban ma da sham ma da za ma da na musane ko ya so ta da wannan tin yan jare asanzan da so yan jare zan ga man to wani da yan jare da da duwane ti ku ide ti su ne tun zan da a duwane yana ne la wanda ma ko so ta sham and then tibere ka bankana ne timalate be bombe soko betu ka onye timabia so obono so tebe mazan ka benye yara ko so all the stuff kan ma ti daga do a don wura tan kana tinya honya so ta sham da ma so wura ne ba ka pandere ne so banan wala so ba da sai so ba ko yan fati ne so tenen den yara bu pa anjele nawe yere wunda ba kama o wani mal ya shelo ngoma ka za kan na so de to zan nam dana tetete won zan wotete ka so zan ko ni na tetete maybe one day tan bor shema ka so yitti goti na tin bi shukru ma zaite din za nyala din yan son ka tan bar ma lebe so abana pamba nyebbe ngoma to zaniya min yala bi ana tan yitti la hakane ka kul hatu tabe ka bango de tan bana ma le nyabi yan nan sha mamul ku fi aka ma yar mai ma bizan ko jemo MP nim balama doctor nim njaba nurse nim njaba karamba nim njaba tum bol soja nim police nim bizza banan nyebe ngoma dama bun dun ko ka bo sa she ka tu dere ta mama dire pe ngoma dere ta ko dere pe ngoma honorable assemblyman president MP bizza dere pe ngoma ni dama ko gonda ku sir na ba dira pasta shar ko ne la yuwa na hibiya kanya yuwa nubiya kanya yubiya din sama zawra chala shukro o mu da bila bang san jabu sole so din ti ko lede so pam ba shaka to gware de tattabu ga baka de kai dure bin da so ka tan bar ma tituma da zo ta te ngoma ban no nyelma dama mai de kane tana ku to ne kama dito men kala ni bango ma retai ti ne kama tuma na ya ko chakto ko ba banu bian ti ba be ngoma no yan ti ba bambe penete bambe shishao bambe kasalago namandu bizama yanda tili gana za pamba ma bizo nyanyela nyawo no batiki koma to tabe katazanta palanje bu taba jela shela kam timbala katazanta tabe shukurma ya pitiye mine jene pitiye mana ma son shale inzala mama farko iyan no sham ka shukurma lebe ke gwanan no e pamba nin je shale ke tar nin je shale na ma gwana de yemo yan kana to son ta de to lebe shukurma ma to zo no kuzan dare da zan ma me bo man o na to yale gar ma de yale sham amma ma gwana ma shal ma yala ma yan fara e so ya to ko ma da ko ta bakata ta an shi to ko ya kan ba bingoma superma karbuma superma ya da basane tiyan zangle jam ta ko bana kama igina ina kusa hanjini zo jima ku to ba gale wannan ba ke shara ku zan zangle jam zo na wannan mutum ko da party da tete zan ba superma da zo ko ya ka ba isa jale na wannan right. So, in simple terms, the letter was supposed to be here. We waited for him, but his car just couldn't access the road that was leaving here. So, he sends his apology for not being able to make it. But once I've been able to make it here as the security supervisor for the circuit and then an officer from the office, I represent him in a whole little way to help our kid brothers and sisters and our sons and daughters here to present to them uniforms that will enhance their appearance, and then that will also serve as a source of motivation for them to feel good about how they appear and make their way to school. So for her effort, I want to say to her that on behalf of the letter, we commend her, and that this spirit of philanthropy that she has developed and cultivated, all of us will embrace it, and that in the long run, with that spirit imbued in us, we will all do our best to do our little and contribute our widow's mite to the growth of not only this school, but to the growth of other communities that we find ourselves in. And to these young ones, I said to my parents here that they are the future teachers, the future doctors, the lawyers, the accountants, the president, the MPs, and all other offices or roles that are there that can be occupied in this country. I said once upon a time, the president or the MP was as young as any of these young children here. Just as young as any of us who are here as the head teacher or the PTA chairman or the chief representative or the parents here, we were equally young as them. So if I've come this far, it just tells when we say they are the future leaders, it just represents what I'm just trying to say. That they represent the future, and whatever support we give them would make this country better or not make it better. So this is the stage that they need our support most. And like the chief rep made an appeal to us about the school, the children being overcrowded. We appreciate that it's a concern that has been brought to us by the head teacher and the PTA. And the office is doing its best to see how the assembly could support us or any other non-governmental organization or any individual with the financial strength to support us have a 6-unit classroom block, or even if it's a 3-unit classroom block that can decongest the classrooms for us, so that the children can have a very conducive environment for effective teaching and learning to take place. So we look forward to that support coming, but we will not also sit back and wait for it. We will pursue it whatever way we can, so that at the end of the day we will bring the best quality education that can be delivered to the young citizens of this particular community, and to let them know that they are actually little ones that we appreciate, and that we are there for them, and we'll do whatever we can to make their lives better and to bring to them quality education that is needed for their own future development. So thank you, parents and chairman and the entire community reps here, and we want to say thank you for making the time for this gesture, and may the good Lord be with you wherever you go. At your point of need, may He meet you, and we wish you the best of academic work, that you come out successful, and I know with this plan that we have, you should be looking forward to bigger things for you, because this is, you are even trying when you have little resources. I can just imagine what will happen when you have a lot of this place. So may the good Lord bless you, and you are humble and everybody. Thank you, and God bless.
Chat ko exam ka fuka bai bana to jina mino wato so do George da ban to ti yina ne hankal she be shawma ti ama zo da so wa ma so tel ba ban ka ke ti hadin ya be shaw da to te ko ba kam ka ta da man la shawo wala ko o yima des ka ti ban kama su bi she ban be shi ko de tout nos chansons sont ti wa ko so da ne be yo ba we ti ka ko na riya be shari'a nan ya su zon to amma ko yi nan ma dab yana ke ro ezam na tibule to be ma ya be ma zon ta ba riya cha yi banan wani imanin wo yin ya zon la shi zon shi e yul fa ma ta be ma be kam ni ko yi samle be sa bi mo be shebe chama DSS bi cha DSS ma ta yi zam ni la shi yul fa pa la zon ta ba ta kana o mi ji ko yi polo karnan ka wani waje la salma ta tun ta ko pam wato kiti kace la salma to ta na fa hanyala kata fo yelle kishi ko ma yele mo sala pa an yu dura atam mo ma ama an yu le bi kemala dura hanu dura yo kada tun yi du kam na mala de zara de gamaso to ma yu te bala du inga na to pergale mu yi de sa ki wa mi pitu bi la lo yene P3 mi P4 ka bi P4 mi P5 ka bi lo inga P3 mi P4 ka bi lo inga ka P5 mi P6 ba bi lo inga kala ande tula do mi label ma non de chem ka bi ma ay to wura on ba be shepo wura on ba wu ma tin yasa on ba hankal ma tin dir ka cha gba ma da ban nonda cha kar koko de lampa ya kan ba be sha wura bi ma ji yam na e bukun ma tan ma sha wura ma la bukun ma ba ga se cha tana mi ko sante ata yene fo sha bangba yina ite son kada bukun ma kar yi fulo kat zan wura bi ma plan ba sha ka bon la ICT communication ma tin wura bi ma ICT ma inta ne practical base de tum ne bi ma ban computer man yunele ka sa ba no shira ka yune ba shaka me chenche to ma kala ba ko do so chem ka wo ma fan ya do mi practical base nyer do so ti atuko exam kan mi ko santé te ma be kamo yina shoma o taba de bang baye tab son ka tu wuti shukuru ma so ye mu sa shota ma ma sa ka yulle mbo santé te no ko monto bo uniform wote to wa nti atena ne ko santé so ba na yina mbati yena mla ni santé uniform ma so santé be ma nti ala sa ba na ti yena ma. So all that I want to say is that I want to first of all thank the Almighty Allah for bringing all of us here. My thanks also goes to Madam Georgina and the brother for taking this pain to use their own money instead of them to use to buy meat and other things to enjoy themselves. But they realize that such money should be channeled to those of our students who are here suffering, just to reduce the burden of the parents. I think we thank Almighty Allah for them to bring this kind of idea to this school. I will also appeal to other NGOs, philanthropic organization, or any other person. Since she has used her money to buy uniform for the people, somebody should also try to help by getting sandals or shoes for the students so that it will complement the uniform. We have a lot of problems. When you even look at the structure, we have class 1 up to class 6, but we have only 3 classrooms. This actually tells us that each classroom is being divided into 2. I mean, we have class 1 and class 2 seated together, 3 and 4 seated together, 5 and 6 together, which should not be the case, because it impedes the understanding and the smooth running of the school. So we are therefore making appeal to anybody, including any organization, to come to the aid of the school. Even the teaching syllabus that we are having, the textbook and other things, we don't have it in the school. So we are just making appeal that whoever comes to the aid of the school should come. In addition, we also have problem with the computer. You know, teaching the computer is also a problem, because the teaching of the computer is practical based, and we don't have even one in the school. So if anybody can actually come to the aid of the school, but getting even one, it will be better, so that the people will feel it, also see it, because most of them do not even know what a computer is. So I think that's what we have. But I will therefore thank Madam Georgina and the brother for moving their money to come to help our people. I think all the Almighty Allah should replenish their stock in 1,000 folds. Thank you very much.
Kazane Bapana Zane Zankwani Zaha Zane, Nachimuna Pasara Zane Kapu Kapai, the sister, not the madam, not the Bia, no Biale Bonkubu Manga, 2 number Yasham, I never done to the Behuma, and now the Yola Sam. Godalam Panyala, Flame Lakuma, not the song about Kadamae. Mr. Oscar Biane, wani za da ta zane ta tin yar shelmar ko palan kyan da ya dinda power office shi kurma tun na yi polo ka polo ma ko doya tangban ma ko do mai izan ko shi kurma ka bin sha kamtin yen nan kun shi kurma kune ka tabiyan zuwa da biya da matangban ma biya to tangban ma min biyan ma dina ku dom la dayara tangban ma ba ko tarte to tilan bor wonti zuwa mun yankana nti to chata bang tangban ma ta pulo ta targam bongo ka tiyan tun kam ka so ko to charti kala sore ka pare chesma ba pang bomang pang wo ta ma ya to ayina konko na kabani ama tin tab na kada madan ku biyan ma da baza na tai be ma ka yi sabban ta ba to ko bang da lemon ban tira an sa fen yala ama abo na silmi sile in wanya la wula wayan lapsma ko to lapsa zo ni mana ma ya muksar la biyan ma ama wo ma nguna chesma pang katale ne ko te munti zuarba kada ma ya to shele te sistema mane ko bielma ne non shelma turma lan ya kadama yung tiyana ma kirto song na ba ama fara mai so sai na to yina ta song ku kullu ka te jin kama te jin mo ti teachers ba yi bata bang pang mamang pang yin yala kamande ko na ma yin yala cheche yin yala moto be har yi kun yala petro galang ba nzang ti teacher ma o ambang yur ngo tinyin ka te yote shi korman ko ko mang pam de zo te zang la ben ngo tira bone pasara na shemba ni akpang ma mang pai sa den to je ka bambala ma gbaza ka gbaza to pang mamanga do men nasi ya gbaza ta lan ya ba shao dan gar la zo to spu ya ka pai ka mamang ku yar ma ka yar Mr. Oscar na yi chan ya darata ni ya mo sama to kalle dara ka siya pam to ma tele so ran na won tra be ma ba na won cheka anda gol bi shama yar la titiana ma yar la lawyer na ma doctor na ma MP na ma kabajina ta bihma funu amani ya zang shelmo nyala bihla maka nya zang lati shukurma pala tiche shukure dunyala kwane na shukuru zuti cha shukurma ba hayole kwane shukurum ba hayole tiche ma ba yi kamna ta kuwe dan kulta de ga biya zuti tiche shukurma tiche na ma ni ban mal ma shukurma sanan ba za ma man yin na ta ma shukurma zan po ya kapa na on
behalf of the PTA chairman, and the speech was read by Apasule. And then he first of all gives thanks for to God for bringing us together. He also thank Madam Georgina and the brother for this for their enough land for Kwene MADA primary. What is left is how to develop it, because all this land from this place, from the mosque up to the end of this room is a school land. So we have a very big land which was given to us by the chief of Kwene. But what is left is how to develop it. Then he also thanked the teachers for taking good care of their children, because that they are teaching their children very well. If you give them questions to answer, when they come home, they are able to answer. The only problem that is left with them is that they can't interpret what they have answered in English. That's the only problem they are now facing. Then he said they are also having a challenge because they cannot motivate the teachers because of poverty. They wish they could have been motivating their teachers to be doing more. Then he also thanked Mr. Oscar for representing the district director of education. And then he said all the problems that has been discussed here, he hoped it will be sent to director. And then he said the school has a lot of challenges about the structure of the school, and then other numerous challenges. He also talked about the ICT. He said Mr. Oscar will definitely send a message to the district director of education to consider. Then he said another challenge of the school is that the award of the teachers, that they don't have money to award teachers. And then the emphasis is on Madam Georgina and then the brother. He said more people or philanthropists will come for our aid because the school lacks a lot of facilities. So in a nutshell, that is what the chairman said. He thanks Madam Georgina and our children. He said parents will also take care of the children in the house and then and support them in their coming. So that's why he said. In fact, I've forgotten to write down. Although he was very fast in his speech. Thank you.
Making this day a success. It has not been easy organizing a program of this nature. I want to thank every parent who is present here, rep for the director, to all the teachers, and then to the parents around. For those of you who do not know me, and I know most of you do not know me, I'm Kusiri Georgina, a scholar from UDS. And when I say a scholar, it means a comfort beneficiary who is in the tertiary school. So I'm in UDS, Tamale Campus, level 400. Comfort is actually the one providing for me right now as I'm in the tertiary school. And what they do is that they will take care of you so that you also identify a challenge in your community and solve it. So I have realized that these schools need a help, and I've identified that the students need uniforms. In fact, all the classes have identified they really need a change of uniform, but funds will not allow me to supply for all. So I have identified the primary 6 to assist. And it's because of what Comfort did to me, I'm emulating that in the society. Because they are taking care of me. They are providing from school fees to my feeding in the tertiary school. And we all know if it is expensive to be here, then how much will it be in the tertiary school? And they are doing all this for me, for free. So I have also identified this to help. And with what I'm doing, I expect those I'm assisting to also grow up and do as I'm doing. It's not like I'm asking them to pay back in any way. But and the children come from school. You don't supervise them to move it. You don't supervise them to wash it. We all know that for children, there will always be children. Once it's new, they'll always feel like roaming around with it. So if I give the uniform out, I wouldn't follow home to give soap. I wouldn't follow home to give soap. I wouldn't follow home to supervise them to wash. And I will not be the one there to supervise them to undress when they return from school. But you as a parent should now guide them, provide them with soap, and let them know that they are to use this uniform for a maximum of 3 years. Because the uniform will last for them. Because if we just give them new uniform this and the following year it's now your duty to provide. And apart from that,
On bien man ma, on me tient ma delirignela. Tu m'as zo bien ka bol ne Comfort. La Comfort man son hale, yo school is hale, ba ko paro se bolma. Yes ma. Zo opanya, on no shama, on panyele. Hal on da kana tunye sukro ni zai shama. Orli ya ka class ni ma za ka ditu no bol ni ko man tibiza. Ba perla nyang sima ni ributo nyande ma. Zo ko ona bi la P6. No nungla, no otuba, kamna maliyara. No mucho so on yen tishab so ma biane. Bukanya bantian nungla bantian nungsha. O biya de tu yomo kasamlin jale. Ama on nung balala kapati je biane ni kara. Ba tu ya ba ame dan shele. So mo da so ma. Kan tibe kan beshi. O bukanya malla ni no nungla. No so de. Kalan jale. Dan la banyala mun nungo ma o biya do be ma ku danya. Bien kwalla la mo ma tan ni yen lere ka sutura ma be wi ko ma kar nungla kar jela di dai di ba ko ka nungla ka ba pa di che di nungla ki cha bu shele la ju ma
Soro na chomlan sulia Bere pala bandro kabulele Zanya la to ku you know yanse Tempo ma de no wala ma Samba, Bama na bishadam kumala danu walama. Na jawan kwa shiroshi tobe tabele mantambo. Na bifu unka chugu, kufugu tabele twagu.
encouragé. Pour nous, wa babia, mon droit de wa kasal de bang. De betam wa paayala, mon san kozari. Mon droit mahi, katiyen mwoshi. Nabi poncheni, mambetam wale siyala, kabiyen wala. Temabi zabasi.
For honoring this special invitation. We also thank Madam Georgina for coming. We thank the community and the entire teaching staff of Penning GA Primary School. May God richly bless Madam Georgina and the brother. And then may God also bring more philanthropists to come to the aid of Penning GA Primary. Thank you very much for coming. So we have now come to the end of the program. So we started with prayers. So we want to end it with also prayers. So we'll get the first lady to give us a closing prayer.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ولا تجعلنا في الكافرين
God bless them. This statement in the Togo, visible.
Na jawan ko ashiro shi to ba tabal man tambo na bi ko